Hi, this is Kumar and here we're going to be going over a very important aspect of trading called position size. Now we calculate position size by using the following components. Now what do we mean by position size? Position size is simply the amount that you're going to be trading. How many currency units are you going to be buying? In the same way, if you're trading stocks, how many individual shares of that stock are you going to buy? This works for everything across the board in trading. The same principle is used regardless of what you're trading. So when we calculate position size, we use the entry, we use the stop loss. Now when we say the entry and stop loss, we mean the actual figures of the entry, the actual figures of the stop loss, what that actual price is. We also take into account your actual trading account size. And obviously the percentage you want to risk on the trade. Another thing that we take into account is the actual currency you want to trade, because some currencies are different from other currencies in that even if you wanted to risk the same amount of your account on a particular currency, you may be trading a totally different amount depending on what that currency is. Okay, so we've come to the position size calculator portion of this video. Now I'm going to show you a tool that we've got in the Trader Tools section of the Trade to Success University site that allows you to work out the exact amount of currency units you should be trading in your Trade to Success University trades. Okay, so what we're going to do is from the home page, if you scroll down, and on the left hand side there will be Trader Tools under the Resources section. Then on the Trader Tools page, if you just click next to Trade Size Calculator, click on Use, and you'll come to this page here. Now this is the Trade Size Calculator. This calculator will automatically work out for you how many currency units you should be trading in whichever particular trade you're choosing. So let me just give you an example. First of all, you're going to be entering your account size. So let's just say you've got a $10,000 account size, and the risk you want to put per trade is 1%. So whatever percentage you want to risk, you put that into the percentage risk per trade box. Then you select a currency. So let's have a look at a chart. Okay, so this is GBP against US dollar on the hourly time frame. So let's just say that we wanted to enter for a short now, and our stop was going to be above this pivot high right here. So let's look at the price right now. It's 1.51484. So we go back here and we say, first of all, select your currency, so GBP USD, put in our entry price 1.51484, and our stop is going to be above this high. So let's just say about 1.52110. So 1.52110. So you've specified your account size, you specified the percentage you want to risk on any one trade, you specified the currency you're trading, the entry price and the stop price. You click on calculate, and the amount of currency units that you should be trading appears in the trade size box. So it's telling me to trade 15,974 currency units in this trade. Now what you can do is just round up that number, so it would be 16,000 currency units. If you have to further round this number because your broker account does not allow you to trade exact currency units, maybe it only allows you to trade 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 and so on, you can either round it up to the closest option you have or round down. It would probably be best to round down and probably just trade 10 to 15,000 currency units. But if your broker allows you to trade to the nearest 1,000 currency units, then obviously the choice here is 16,000 units. It's so close to 16,000 units that you would do that. Or if you wanted to be very conservative, just do 15,000 and just round it down to a nice round number there. But the point here is that the trade size calculator tells you the exact amount of currency units that you should be trading in order to risk the percentage risk that you've specified of your account. So let's just quickly go over another example. Let's just say that we're looking at US dollar against Swiss franc, USD CHF on the hourly time frame. Let's say that you just wanted to enter this for a long, so we would be entering at 1.09620. So we'll select US dollar CHF, 1.09620. And our stop will be, let's say, here at 1.09005. So 1.09005, then we just hit calculate, and the amount of currency units you should be trading is 17,824. So just round that number up or down, and that's the amount of currency units that you should be trading for this particular trade. Now, we've just taken random points on these currencies, but obviously when you're identifying your trades, you're going to be putting in the exact points of where to enter according to the strategy 1 or strategy 2 trade. You will then be specifying your own account size, whatever size it is, and also the percentage risk that you want to put in per trade. So you're going to be specifying all of that. So you specify the account size, the percentage risk, you specify which currency you're looking at, you specify your entry price and your stop price, and you click calculate, and the amount of currency units that you should be trading will appear. So that's the trade size calculator for you. A very handy trading tool. So that's how the position size is calculated. Every time you want to take a trade, simply put in the figures and it's all worked out there for you. Now if you go on to the next page, you can start the money management test. Here you can test how well you've understood money management and position size. Good luck. This is Kumar for Trade to Success University, and I'll see you in the next video.